All right, new kitchen, new Sean. I'm not here to wow you, I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help you learn how to make food that you find around the house. Too many recipes. I don't like recipes. I like guidelines. I don't like recipes. So, meatballs. First off, meat. Next, binder. Let's talk about this. Breadcrumbs. Half a cup for 2 pounds. Sounds about right. He's not measuring. He's not measuring. He's gone crazy. 2 eggs. 1 egg for every pound of meat. Don't squash this up too much. You want it to remain silky, airy. No eggshells. All right, we got that. Got that. Milk. Just a little bit. Just a little. I don't know. There we go. We're feeling it out. Now, next, seasoning. I could put in garlic, onion, chop it up, but I'm trying to make this easy on you all. So I've made up seasonings in the past. Highly suggest you do it. This is my Italian seasoning. Parsley, basil, maybe sage. I think savory's in this. Onion, garlic. I think I threw in a little bit of celery salt and kosher salt. Make up your own. This is great stuff. So what do we want to put in here? 1 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoons. The other things you could put in here, let's talk about options. I like talking about options because, again, you opened your fridge and you looked in there and you said, what do I got? Celery, dice it up. Onion, dice it up. Food processor. Garlic, dice it up. Red pepper, roasted red pepper. You could throw wine in here. Squash it up. Now, again, we want to get it, but we don't want to make it compact. Let's see how this turned out. Let's roll them up. Pre-cut. Fantastic. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Could also use an ice cream scooper. That could work, but I'm eyeballing it. I got this thing scorching at 400 behind me. I think if I did 450, I could get away with it, but I don't want to cook the outsides quicker than the inside. So I'm going to do 400 with a broil option. These are getting bigger as I keep going, but I'm not going to get a scooper. That's giving in. Look at this. We got more than we expected. Let's reorganize. 1, 2, 3, 4. 23 meatballs. Okay. All right. Off you go, little lads. Wee lads and lasses, off you go there. Middle rack. I don't want to get in too hot. The upstairs one, there's 3 racks here. Up ones, it's going to get too hot. All right. Let's pull them out and drain them. This would go great with spaghetti, rigatoni, risotto. I am not above store-bought sauces. They've come a long way. Yes, I can make my own. Perfect. So what did we learn? Start with your meat. Egg, binder, breadcrumb, a little bit of moisture, seasoning. Now, I could probably season these a little more, but I can also season the sauce that goes on top of it. Sometimes they don't need to be like perfectly seasoned because the other things are contributing to it. Add some pasta. All of a sudden, you're a weeknight genius who made up a pretty quick meal. Freeze these suckers. Freeze them. Thank you for joining me again. It's been a while, but we'll be back. We'll be back. And I just want to show you how to use things around the house because apparently a lot of people don't know how to use things around the house. So we'll figure that out for you, okay? Thank you again for watching Delishigan. We'll see you next time. Oh, good. They're good. They're good.